I was fucking with the dog. They're like right there. They're coming back. What's up, guys? It's opening day for early teal season here in Colorado. Let's see what happens. All right, we just pulled into the parking lot. I just talked to a guy. Everyone's getting limits and the teal are still flying. Oh, here they come. Are you gonna be able to see them? Maybe you'll see them. Oh, they're coming right at me. Oh, they wanna die. Yeah, let's go kill some ducks, buddy. We got some birds working right here. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come to my stuff. Here we go, baby. Here we go. There we go. We got some babies. Here we go. Oh, they're gonna land over there. What? Well, I'm not sure if the camera got it or not, but got a double play there. So just picking up decoys now and gonna go back over here and keep on hunting.